My name is Philip Booker, and I'm the Managing Director of Doppelleu Brauwerkstatt AG, a small but rapidly growing craft brewery in Switzerland.
Im Bereich des Sudhauses, das ist eine lange und sehr spannende.
When it came to the brewhouse, it was a lengthy, exciting phase until we finally opted for precisely the solution that's now in place here. The dialogue began with the CombiCube concept, which is, after all, tailor-made for a craft brewery like us. But then, due not least to the space available, we gradually moved away from the CombiCube concept a bit, and then incorporated elements of normal customized brewhouses of the kind that larger breweries use. We have an 80 hectolitre brewhouse with 4 units for ultra-efficient cooling, so that we can cast and cool down in 20 minutes, which is very valuable for a craft brewery because, you see, lots of the good hop aroma is retained in the beer.
Viel des guten Hopfenaromas dann im Bier bleibt. Wir haben eine Zippanlage mit 6 Geräten.
We have a SIP system with 6 units, and this is supplemented at the end of the process section by a TFS, a twin flow filter, which we've also very neatly integrated into the overall installation. In the wet end, we have the Kosme filler, the E2 Krones washer, and finally, we also have the entire conveyor control system, various check mats for fill level, closure, label placement, also from Krones.
Etikettensitz auch von Krones.
There are quite a few reasons why having Krones as a vendor is a good thing. Firstly, there's the huge range of different products that Krones can offer. Quite simply, there's always a solution, which is great. At the same time, the staff at Krones, the ones we deal with, are highly professional people, and also thoroughly decent human beings, so that over the last 12 months, a very cordial relationship has evolved.
Das Chopfab ist eindeutig.
Chopfab is unequivocally a word from Swiss-type German and means off with its head. And of course, stands for the beautiful moment, the anticipatory relish when you open a beer. But it's unmistakably Swiss with the ch at the beginning, and also very easy to remember for consumers who speak Swiss. It's also used in marketing, and that encapsulates the potency of this product brand. Doppelleu is a homage to Winterthur's coat of arms. This features 2 lions, and that's why we have a double lion.
2 Löwen, darum der doppelte Löwe. Entstanden ist die Brauerei beim Genuss.
The brewery owes its foundation to the enjoyment of craft beers. In Switzerland, we have a really nice, progressively faster-growing scene for craft beers. This began several years ago. Back then I was involved in the scene as a consumer and enjoyed these very aromatic, exquisite beers in pubs or restaurants. And so we were inspired by role models from the USA or from Scandinavia who make magnificent beers, where we've most definitely realized that in Switzerland there's still a lot of scope for a Swiss brewery in this style.
Schweizer Brauerei in dem Stil.